So, Ethan, when you think of the word surrender, is this a word that brings peace to your mind, or does it feel like giving up or losing control? Is it a positive or negative experience when you think about the word?
Man, very good question. It's similar to last week's word when we talked about servitude.
Mm-hmm.
It initially you will have that negative impact
Mm-hmm.
for surrender because you think that it's a form of weakness. Surrendering means give up because it's in the etymology and in the definition and sometimes not really
Mm-hmm.
in the definition. The definition actually gives a better understanding of the growth of the word. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But the question that you ask, I totally agree that it is a impact
Mm-hmm.
word.
Mm-hmm.
Initially,
Right.
it's an impact word. Yep.
Right, right, and that's what I love about the way we have the format set up. Like you get into the definition, like what does the word mean now, and it may even be worth maybe changing the format around because when you give the derivation of the word, you're saying what it originally meant, and a lot of times you can see the progression from that word of somebody's coming to collect taxes
Absolutely.
or whatever. I have to hand over the money that I
Hmm.
owe to the state, kind of thing, and that's what the origin of the word meant. Then to give up your freedom, your choice, or whatever, it kind of falls in line. It comes after that thought of what it was originally used for. So that kind of gives us a better idea of the foundation we're building on. So.
What we want to do here, and that goes to the emotional lens,
Mm.
so to speak, of the
Mm-hmm.
word. So one of the things that we do want to look at this, the emotional lens of this. So initially, like we are saying, the feeling, the positive, the negative. The positive is freeing,
Mm-hmm.
empowering, and peaceful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but you don't necessarily feel that.
Mm-hmm.
Like you said, handing over monies and
Mm-hmm.
financials to another party or whatnot.
Mm-hmm. Or your choice, your free will,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Mm-hmm.
But the negative side is vulnerable,
Mm.
fearful,
Mm.
or fear, or powerless.
Hmm.
Why? Surrender can feel threatening because it asks us to trust and let go.
Interesting.
But when chosen intentionally,
Mm-hmm.
it becomes a source of profound strength.
I love it.
That's awesome.
I love it.
And to me, that goes along the lines of how the definition. I believe that how the definition should be applied in our lives.